Here I have POCO M2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to settings, then to the about phone section, then go to the factory reset, then tap erase all data, then factory reset, then wait for 10 seconds to get to know what this factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items to your computer. Yes, okay. Make sure all the important items are backed up to your computer. All the data on this device will be erased during the reset. You won't be able to restore the items you haven't backed up. Blah blah. Let's just reset it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.